I just wanted to share with y'all my overall thoughts on the FMG Love Summer Eyeshadow Palette. This is an Avon masterpiece. I tell you what, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. This is the actual palette right here. You have 12 amazing shadows in here. Y'all, these shadows are so buttery creamy. It's a rare occasion that I come to you with an actual review on an eyeshadow palette, but I had to do it because this palette is everything. The FMG Love Palette from Avon. It reads here, add warmth and brightness to your eyes with shadows that capture the beauty of summer. From sunrise to sunset, the buildable mattes and shimmers featuring warm, delicate, and vivid hues create depth and dimension. This long-lasting talc-free formula with antioxidant vitamin E blends seamlessly. It does, in fact. Now, I am here to tell you this palette is everything. Mix and layer the gorgeous shades to achieve your favorite summertime looks. It's paraben-free, phthalate-free, and fragrance-free. Yes, mix and blend or use individually. This is an awesome palette. Check out my link down below in the description box. You can find it there along with any discount codes that I may have from my Avon store. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing it to you to let you know this is a good thing. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.